Patty Nitsche. I'm the owner of Restoration Chic. Had always loved working with furniture, restoring it. Most of my house I've restored myself, and I got my first booth about 8 years ago, and soon it was 3 booths, and within a year I was opening my own store. Moving into this building, I decided to make it more of a vendor mall so that there's a bigger variety for my customers. I have artists, photographers, crafters, antiquers, a little of everything right now. Most important thing is to know your market, know what your market can bear, what kind of items the market will support, because not everything works. Too many of one thing can really tax the market. So it's really knowing the market and what will sell and what will work in your community. The success of my business has been the relationships with the customers. Building that relationship, trust, where they come back and buy more or shop with me regularly, and just being established in a small community. That's why the relationships to me are very important. And you know, once you build that relationship, you have a customer for life. And you've made a new friend, so.